Today I am in Indianapolis, Indiana, and beside me are two Jasmine Duplexes, both from Volumod here in Indianapolis. What they've got is affordable housing. I'm confident to say it this time. We're looking at a little over 1,700 square feet on each side of this duplex, and I'm gonna lay it out right up front. They're selling for $175,000. We're about 10 minutes from downtown Indianapolis right now, and to me, yeah, that qualifies as affordable housing. So I think what we got to do is take a quick walk around the outside and then duck inside and see exactly what they've got going on here. All right, here's a look at both duplexes from the front. You can see they've both got a covered porch, and I think a couple of these have sold, but I've got access to this one right here on the right-hand side. It's unfurnished, but you know, just stage it in your mind because we're gonna have to use our imaginations here or else I can't make the video. So it's definitely worth going through even though it's not staged. Right now, this is priced at $175,000 for a little over 1,700 square feet. But with that, since this is affordable housing, there is an income cap involved. So you have to be making under a certain income level. I don't know exactly what that is, but that is part of the requirement that makes this affordable housing. Just want to lay that out right up front. So you've got the street parking out front, and then you've got access to a driveway off the alley at the back. And as you can see, each side is mirrored. So that's the back door for side one, side two, side one, side two. They're the exact same floor plan on both sides. It's just mirrored. They're mirrors of each other, which makes sense. It looks to me as though they've got provisions for an AC unit right there. Not sure if that's coming or if that's something that can be put in after the fact and it's on the buyer, but they're ready for it whenever it gets here. Now, this home was built about 20 minutes from here at the Volumod factory. And what they do over there is they work directly with developers who then sell to the end user. That's what's going on here. And if you look at this, you'll see that this is a 4-piece duplex. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They all get craned onto the foundation and away we go. Well, let's go inside, check this thing out because it's a pretty cool floor plan. So as you enter in the front, you land directly into the living room. You know what? I was wrong. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom duplex because right down here, I forgot about this when I was doing it. This is a half bathroom. So 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. There we go. So you got the vanity, bank of drawers over there, mirror, and it is right off the living room, which has view out to the street, a view out to the side yard, and a little more natural light off the side wall there. It's a nice sized living room, lots of space for a TV. I'd probably put it over there, put a couch or love seat over there. I don't know, do whatever you want because there's lots of options. So people always ask, where am I gonna hang up my coat? And they have thought of that at Volumod because they've got a coat closet fairly close to the front door. It's not directly beside it, but it's there. So over here, a little bit of storage under the stairs right there. So you can put whatever you want under here. You know what, let's go all the way in. Do they have a light? Yes, they do. You know, you can put stuff in there that you're not going to be using every day because it is a bit of a duct to get in there. And from the living room, you head directly into the kitchen. And I'm just going to kind of walk through. They've got the solid surface counters. Everything that you see here comes directly from Volumod with the home. So everything, including the blinds, it all comes with the home at $175,000. Here's a look out the back at the backyard that I kind of already showed you. And if I go around this way, pantry, and almost a coat closet. So since we are by the back door, and this is the door that If I were living in the home, I would probably use more often. You could hang your coat there. It's directly by the back door, and then put your cereals, chips, whatever else you're eating on the shelves over here. Now, beside that, we've got hot water tank and furnace right there. Good a spot as any for it down here in the kitchen, away from the bedroom, so you're not getting any of that noise. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but it does put off a little bit of noise. So they got the nice island in the middle. That's where the sink's located. Double door fridge by Whirlpool. Let's have a look in there. Yep, that's a fridge. Freezer on that side. You got a dishwasher with a bank of drawers over here. Lots of storage. Let's go upstairs because that's where all the bedrooms and bathrooms are located. So again, $175,000, just over $100 per square foot, and you're moving into this home. That has become a pretty rare number to hit on the channel these days. It used to be more common, but very rarely do I get to say that figure anymore. So in the hall here, they've got the stacking washer dryer behind the barn door, between bedrooms 2 and 3 and the main bedroom. So down here, let's call this bedroom 2. You've got the closet right there, view of the side yard and eventually the neighbors. That's actually an open lot right there. And a bathroom over here, tub shower unit, toilet, 2 banks of drawers. So this bathroom is shared between bedroom 2 and 3. So you could have one person put their stuff there, another person put their stuff over there, and that just kind of keeps it organized. So I'm gonna back up, and now I'm in bedroom 3. Or did I say the other one was 3? Whatever, it's 2 or 3. So this one has a view out at the front street, but let's go around, back down the hall, and we'll go into the main bedroom. So what we've got here, full ensuite in this bedroom. Again, it's got even more going on with 2 sinks, 2 banks of drawers. You got the tub shower over here. And if I go down into the main part of the bedroom, 2 windows out the back, and you've got the closet over here. So all in all, this is such a cool space. For the price they've got it at, I don't see this every day. 2 floors. You got over 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 10 minutes from downtown Indianapolis. Here's a look at the floor plan starting with the main floor. As you can see, living room, half bathroom, and kitchen. And then if we go upstairs, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. If you need more time with the floor plan, feel free to pause it here because I'm moving on. There you have it, folks. The Jasmine Duplex from Volumod. Again, a little over 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, then it's selling for $175,000. As I mentioned, at that price, there are income requirements that do have to be met, but affordable housing nonetheless. That's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.